Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to reset Starlink. So if you're having connection problems or want to start fresh, then just follow along. First, make sure your Starlink hardware is powered on. To factory reset the Starlink router, follow the reset method for your router model. This typically involves quickly power cycling the router multiple times until it resets. And after the reset is complete, the router will create the default Starlink Wi-Fi network again. Then you need to open the Starlink app and reconnect to the default network. And follow the setup process to create a new Wi-Fi name and password. You need to keep in mind that resetting your router removes your custom network settings, so you'll need to connect all of your devices afterward. So that was how to reset Starlink. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.